Hi, I'm just going to show you a flip through of my large Dylusions journal that I finished in January. I started it in September, so yeah. I usually have sort of 3 or 4, maybe even more journals on the go at once. So this page was inspired by Megan Wisner-Quinlan. Lots of you had a go at doing journal pages like this, and I think there is more than one of those. This was inspired by Tisha Moore. There's lots of Dina Wakley inspired stuff in here as well. Another Megan page using my faces. Lots of rainbow things in here too. And lots of faces. I love using faces. Collage. If you're interested, you can get this collage as a download on my Etsy page. There's a link to that in my Instagram bio. You can also download some of my hand-drawn faces. They're also on Etsy, or they're on my website, artjournallove.com. I like doing cutouts as well. She's just peeping through there. More collage, autumn one. Another Megan page. Told you there was more than one. More rainbow backgrounds. Oh, now this was a funky page. Forgot this one was in here. I took a picture of me. I've been growing my hair. Just took a picture of me and yeah, and drew over it. It was very funny. It did go very strange, but anyway, never mind. Journaled on the back of my handprints there. I guess we've all missed hugs, haven't we, in this pandemic? Now these pages are a bit crinkly. So this is, I used some gloss medium as a resist. The only problem with gloss medium is it is very sticky, so I've just got a piece of acetate in between there because the pages do stick together, and I didn't want them to actually pull apart, so don't we all get to feeling like that, don't we? Is it Friday yet? That was one of my projects for Scrap FX. Ooh, a page that's not finished. And some cutout pages. Now lots and lots of these pages are on YouTube. There are tutorial videos for them. This page is a bit sad now actually, because sadly Captain Sir Tom passed away recently. Such an amazing gentleman. These are Scrap FX transparencies as well. This page is also, I did this for Scrap FX. These are by Michelle Logan. They're her, what are they called? Beautiful Blooms or something like that, I think. Yes, you can buy those from Scrap FX. There is definitely a YouTube video for this on my channel. This was also a page I did for Scrap FX. This is something I'm very, very guilty of, overthinking. These are also by Michelle Logan. These are alcohol inks, and I just stuck the Yupo paper into my book and drew a face on a transparency. some Christmassy pages, some cut-out pages with acetate in the middle, like windows. There's definitely a tutorial to that on my YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Seems weird seeing these Christmas ones now. I know there are people who don't like it when the pages crinkle, but I quite like that. Nothing's getting damaged. This was from an amazing tutorial by Danielle Mack on her website. If you haven't done it, then I can recommend it, really highly recommend it. It's a great tutorial. You won't be disappointed, you will love it. There's another page for Scrap Effects, where I've used some of their chipboard letters and some of their shapes as well, and stencils. That was for the start of the new year. This page was inspired by Neve Valley. Lots of my work is, actually. She's one of my favourite artists. Yeah, using the Collage Collective. That's not stuck in very well, is it? This page is on my website. There we go. Okay. Something very satisfying about finishing a journal. I just love how chunky it looks and the colours on the edges of the pages. So there we go. Thanks for watching.